Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel English Club 9. Today I am in front of you to talk about to what extent you agree or disagree questions. We all know that in IELTS there are a lot of question prompts like agree disagree questions, advantage and disadvantages, give your opinion, justify your statement and much more. So let's look how to write to what extent you agree and disagree questions of IELTS examinations. To write a 9-band essay question, we all know the structure, but still. Firstly, an introduction, then a body paragraph that presents the first supporting point, second body paragraph that presents the second supporting point, and finally a conclusion. In this lesson, we'll guide you how to write to what extent we agree or disagree questions. This type of questions is really common in IELTS examination, and the main task is to decide whether you agree, that is you totally agree, you totally disagree, or you partly agree or disagree. Appo ee video we have to decide the main 3 points, that is to generate an opinion, generate our ideas, and to get a 9-band essay. In fact, here we have 3 main options, that is completely agree, completely disagree, and partly agree or disagree. After you had decided your opinion, we have to generate 2 to 3 sentences that supports it. When we completely agree with an idea, the format will be as follows. Firstly, we have to write an introduction with a paraphrasing. Secondly, identifying the central issue, and finally, this thesis statement. Next, we can write this first body paragraph, that is, we should state why we agree to that statement. In second body paragraph, we can write why we agree, and with the help of an example, we can justify our opinion. And finally, we can conclude it with a conclusion. Next, we move on to how to disagree with a statement. It's just the same, we just have to say why we have to disagree with that statement. As earlier mentioned, the format to write an essay, if we completely disagree to that statement, is just similar to that of agreeing one itself. But we have to state why we are disagreeing with that statement with the help of an example, and finally conclude it with a conclusion. And the third option is to partly agree and disagree with that statement. If we partly agree and disagree with that statement, we have to provide one idea that strengthens that statement and one idea that weakens that statement. And that's how we write an essay. Namalku oru 9-band score kittanannundengil, we have to follow that structure. An introduction, a first body paragraph, second body paragraph, and finally a conclusion. നമ്മൾ ടോട്ടലി എഗ്രി ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ പറയണം എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ടോട്ടലി അതിനെ എഗ്രി ചെയ്യുന്നത് വിത്ത് ദ ഹെൽപ്പ് ഓഫ് എൻ എക്സാമ്പിൾ. നമ്മളതിനെ ടോട്ടലി ഡിസഗ്രി ചെയ്യുകയെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വി ഹാവ് ടു സേ വൈ വി ആർ ടോട്ടലി ഡിസഗ്രിയിങ് വിത്ത് ദാറ്റ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ്. ആൻഡ് ഫൈനലി നമ്മൾ പാർട്ട്ലി ആണ് എഗ്രി ചെയ്യുന്നത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പാർട്ട്ലി ഡിസഗ്രി ചെയ്യുകയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ we can express ourselves saying that we partly agree and disagree with a given statement because of so and so reasons. Hope you got a better idea to write to what extent you have to agree or disagree questions of IELTS examination. Thank you and have a nice day.